Hello everyone, today we will be discussing AMICLEAR, a popular topic among those looking to improve their health and well-being. Specifically, we will focus on three main aspects: blood sugar, diet, and weight loss. First, let's talk about blood sugar. AMICLEAR is a unique formula that aims to improve blood sugar control and help individuals with diabetes or pre-diabetes manage their condition more effectively by reducing sugar intake and incorporating special prebiotic ingredients. AMICLEAR helps stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of severe sugar dips. Now go to the diet. The key to successful weight loss and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is finding a balanced approach to nutrition. AMICLEAR emphasizes the importance of eating whole, unprocessed foods and focusing on a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, healthy fats, and whole grains. However, it's not just about what you eat. It's also about how you eat. AMICLEAR provides valuable insights into portion control, meal planning, and stress management, all essential components of a successful diet. Finally, let's discuss weight loss. While it's important to focus on overall health and well-being, weight loss is often a significant goal for many. AMICLEAR has developed a specialized range of products designed to support individuals on their weight loss journey, whether through calorie restriction, increased physical activity, or a combination of both. In conclusion, AMICLEAR offers a comprehensive approach to blood sugar management, diet planning, and weight loss. By supporting individuals to make positive lifestyle changes, AMICLEAR empowers them to achieve their health and wellness goals in a sustainable and fulfilling way.